Hello everyone, welcome back to Boanerges BoardGames. I'm Prince, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to play Splendor. Splendor is one of the most fun and strategic card game out there. Whether you are a beginner or you need a refresh, I get you covered. Splendor is a game for 2 to 4 players where the goal is to collect gems, development cards to earn prestige points. The goal is to be the first person to earn 15 prestige points to win the game. Join me at the table as I explain into details how the game is played. To set up the game, stack the gems according to colors. In 2-player game, you remove 3 of each of these colored gems, and in 3 players, you remove 2 of each. You don't remove any of the good gem. You'll maintain as it is. You shuffle the development card according to tier. So we have tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and randomly open the top 4 cards and keep them face up around the board. You're going to shuffle the noble tiles, and according to the number of players, you're going to remove and display based on the number of players plus 1. So now we have made a setup for 4 players. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the development card, and that's all about the setup of Splendor. The game of Splendor is going to be played over a series of rounds, starting from the youngest player going clockwise around the table. On your turn, you perform 1 out of 4 actions. One of the actions comprises of collecting of gems. Second action is buying of the development card. And the third action is reserving any one of the development cards. To pick up a gem, you have 2 alternatives. Either you take 3 different colored gems, or you take 2 of the same by making sure the minimum gem over there is 4. For example, I'll take 1 red, 1 green, and 1 of this white gem. Then I'll keep with me. Instead of taking 3 of different colors, I could choose 2 of the same. I can take 2 of the brown gem, and then I'll keep with me. But making sure that the minimum stack of gems is 4. If there are less than 4, you cannot take 2 of the same. In the course of collecting the gem, your maximum number of gems you can have at the end of your turn is only 10. If you have excess, you have to return all excess back to the supply. On your turn, you may choose to purchase a development card. A player may only buy 1 development card per turn. And to buy, you need to pay the costs in respect of gem according to the cost indicated on the card. So for me to buy this particular card, I need 4 of the white gem, and then I'll play 4 white gem token back to the supply. Then I'll get this card with me. Now this card is giving me 1 victory point or 1 prestige point, and at the same time giving me 1 discounted gem that I can keep using till the end of the game. When a card is taken from the display, we open the top card from the draw pile and replace what has been removed. During the game, if you have enough bonuses on the cards that you've been buying, you may automatically attract the noble, which if you meet the requirement, you get to with you, and it also gives you a prestige point. On a player's turn, he or she may also choose to reserve a card from the board. To do so, you take the gold token, and then you reserve any one of the fix-up development card. So for example, I'll reserve this card, and then I'll take it off the board, keep it on the side. Then we flip the new card to replace the brick card. Now, in the course of playing the game, a player may only reserve maximum 3 cards per turn. And you may choose either to buy from the development cards, or you may choose to buy from your face-up card. But remember, all reserve token is counted among your gems that you've been collecting, and this gold token can also be used as a joker, where you can use it to purchase any items of your choice. Players are going to basically take turns performing 1 out of these 4 actions. One, either they collect 3 of different colored gem, taking 2 of the same colored gem, but making sure the minimum gem stack over there is 4, or they choose to purchase any one of the face-up development card, and as they are buying that, they attract a noble tiles. The final action is they reserve a chair. Players are going to be doing this, taking turns clockwise until one person gets 15 prestige points. That current round is going to end, and then whoever has the highest point will still maintain the 15. becomes the winner of the game. And that's how we play Splendor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification button for more videos like this. Thank you for staying tuned with me, and see you next time for more lively games.